going 10 per room until we're full, then we go upstairs. 10 per room, and then we're gonna go 15 per room until we get to 15 per room, and then we're going upstairs to 15, and then we're going 20.
How many floors do you all have here?
2 floors.
2 floors?
So
how many people do you think you have down here right now?
The first floor, right now we have almost 200 folks, and it's more waiting to come in. So I don't know how many we have. Maybe we have 100 down here, but we're sending up. Now we're telling to send them upstairs, and when we max out at 10 per room upstairs, and we come back down to 15, and then we go 15, and then we go up to 20 and then we may have to end up having people in the halls if we have to. Excuse me.
Yeah, okay.
That's open, right? Yeah. They got 100, but you're going to be sharing with someone. There's going to be a family in here already, so there's your space. This is going to be your ticket? Hold on. So if you're going to pay anything else, this is going to be room. Those are going to be your roommates. All right. Rooms, we're putting 2 families per room. We started off with 1 family per room until we filled up all the first floor. Now we're filling up the second floor. But as we fill up the first floor, we put in another family. So we're maxing each room at 10 people per room. Okay. We're trying to, if the family is about 10, we'll try to keep them together in 1 room. And that we'll break them up wherever we have space. How many people do you think you have right now, total? Right now, we're probably about 160 to 170. Okay. And we'll probably get more as the rain starts coming in. Yeah.
I don't want to be recorded.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
I didn't get your face. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Maybe your little boy does. Keep looking at me.